Yo, what's up everybody? In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can change your background color in Instagram stories. Alright, so if you normally upload a story like this, so I go on story, I go on camera, I click a random photo and I shrink it. Once I shrink it, the background color is gonna match with my photo color and I cannot edit that background color in this way. Alright, so in order to change the background color, you need to follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want the step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, take a photo using your phone camera, not your Instagram camera. Take a random photo. So I'm going to take a photo of this mouse over here. Once you take the photo, close your camera and then open Instagram. After you open Instagram, you want to go on versus your profile picture at the bottom. So come over here at the top, click on the plus icon and go on versus story, and then go on camera and click a random photo, just a random photo. Alright, and then click on the three dot at the top and go on versus draw and choose the favorite background color you want. So let's say I want this purple kind of background color. Now I'm gonna hold on my screen over here and the entire screen is gonna turn into purple. After I do that, I click on done. Once I click on done, at the top there's gonna be a smiley icon with the bottom right corner peeled. I click on it, and over here on my screen you want to scroll a bit down, and as you guys can see right below 11:49 p.m, right below that, not that, right below that timer, there's gonna be like a gallery icon, right? A circle gallery icon with my mouse picture shown. That shows my mouse picture because I just recently took it. Alright, so I'm gonna click on it and it's gonna ask me to choose a random photo. So I'm going to choose a random photo. So I'm going to choose the mouse photo. Now I can zoom in, zoom out, but the background color is going to stay the same. All right, so after I do that, I can click on the arrow at the bottom, click on share, click on done, and it is going to be added to my story like this with my favorite background color. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can change your background color in Instagram story. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. One step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.